Hello, students. Today we are going to read Mark Goes to the Dentist. Let's get started. Mark has a drink. This is Mark's drink. The drink is cold. There is ice around it. It is cold, not hot. Ouch! Mark has a toothache. Mark's teeth are hurting. He calls the dentist's office. He calls them on the phone. He makes an appointment. Mark's appointment is on Monday at 2 p.m. He sees the dentist. This is Mark's dentist. Mark gets an X-ray. This is an X-ray of Mark's teeth. He gets a filling. This is a filling on a tooth. He gets a bill. This is Mark's bill for the dentist. He has to pay $276 for his exam and his filling. Mark only has a little money. He does not have enough money. It is okay. He can pay some money today. He gives a little money today. He can pay some money later. Next week, he can pay the rest of the money. Mark feels better. The end. Thanks for watching. Bye.